Grupo Labiana has more than 50 years' experience working to provide flexible and efficient solutions for the pharmaceutical industry for both human and animal healthcare. Our philosophy, and that of our team of more than 280 professionals in the sector, is to improve on a daily basis and become not only partners, but also trustworthy, strategic allies for our clients. Labiana Life works hand in hand with the veterinary industry. The 9,000 meter squared facilities of Life are located just 30 kilometers outside of Barcelona city and are occupied by a specialized team comprised of 160 people. Technological specialization is undoubtedly our flag. Labiana Life is one of the most experienced and trusted contract development and manufacturing companies in the animal health industry, with more than 20 years' experience working for European multinationals. Our portfolio is composed of more than 200 products as well as 130 APIs and/or molecules. We have a total of 100 clients and have completed more than 33 transfers during the last 3 years, with a further 9 products currently under development. We are present in more than 75 countries spread over 5 continents, where our work continues to expand. All this is thanks to technological specialization, especially in the following 2 fields. The sterile field, where we focus upon the manufacture of solutions and suspensions, sterile packaging, aseptic manufacture and terminal sterilization. And the liquids field, where we specialize in the manufacture of solutions and suspensions, as well as sterile packaging. This implies the supply of numerous services and the use of a large number of skills. We are very proud to be one of the most experienced and trusted contract manufacturing and development companies in the sector, and we continue to grow with great commitment to sustainability and consolidation, so that every step we take may be firm and help us to find the answers to our clients' problems. Grupo Labiana, much more than just a partner.